Okay, who remembers Mattel Electronics Football 2? This is my game from being a kid. Me and my brother played this all the time. Oh boy, look, different thing, and we did this a while ago, and so long ago I can't remember if we just stopped here trying to fix this, because these things are so bad. This is a brand new battery, by the way. So let's see if this works. I would love to see if this works. No. Oh, this game was so fun back then. But alright, I'm guessing that it is just the connector. So see this here. So I'm going to take the whole thing out and replace it with this. I'm going to try. Alright, for now it'll work, and it's no big electronic fix, but let's see. I have to look up when this came out. Oh, it says right here 1978. Yeah, I think it. Yep, 1978. I was 7 years old. Wow. All right. Well, let's try. Let's see. Where does this? Yeah. See, I'm just gonna replace this whole thing here. This is just lift out. Ooh, ooh, the button's crap. I wasn't even thinking. Uh-oh. Okay. Duh. Way not to think there, buddy. Oh, there's the speaker. Speaker. And that, oh, it looks like I got two things to try here. And then, where does this thing go? Is it up a solder? I have no idea. Look, it looks that battery. Oh man. Oh no. Okay. Just got over being sick too. So I hope this works. Maybe that's why maybe we fixed the wire back then and it didn't work, so we just put it in a box. Should I see? I mean, I don't think the speaker's gonna matter. You can't even see anything. Away for now. I'll let that dry. Just move that out, and here's clean it up a little bit in here. I could see the soldering iron trying to put in the solder, the wire, and then just doing a duct tape that it looked like earlier, right? But I'm just gonna clean this up. This, I think, went like that. I'm pretty sure that gets in there. Right. This gets flipped upside down. And that go in there. Maybe that's what that was about there. And then this. I mean, I could have done a little bit better job there. I can go back and fix this later, but let's see. All right, let's see who's ready. Nice. Haha. Now we just have to wait. Nice. Oops, sorry. Nice. I'm gonna clean it all up. I'm gonna fix this up a little bit too. I guess I gotta get a little glue. But yeah, armored battle and football. 2 years and 1 week ago, this was fixed. I do use it when I watch the Eagles play and I try to predict plays, but anyway. Haven't touched it since the video and been playing it ever since. Still works.